Hyper-Splice is the most durable and simple splice for connecting and repairing low-voltage wires in any environment. The only tool we'll need for the job is a pocket knife or wire stripper. Our Hyper-Splice will do the rest. First, we'll prepare each end of the wires we need to connect by exposing 1 inch of bare wire to be connected. After the wire is exposed, we'll carefully twist the fine strands of copper tightly together to smoothly insert it into the weatherproof end cap of the Hyper-Splice. You'll want the wire insulation to go about 1/8 of an inch inside the rubber end cap. Once both wires are fully inserted and no bare metal is visible on the outside of the Hyper-Splice, we're ready to twist. Grasp one side of the Hyper-Splice and hold firmly. With your dominant hand, twist the opposing side 1.5 to 2 complete revolutions. You've now created a strong, highly conductive weatherproof connection. The Hyper-Splice will hold your wires in place under the harshest conditions for many years. Our patented hyperbolic spiral technology, pre-packed dielectric grease seals, quality material and manufacturing make the Hyper-Splice your go-to connector when electrical failure isn't an option.